Dear student, on the behalf of Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, I welcome you to e-content on emerging trends in mechanical engineering. I am Professor Naresh Chaudhary, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Myers MIT Polytechnic, Pune. Emerging trends in mechanical engineering course having course code 22652 is common to automobile engineering, production engineering, production technology, and mechanical engineering program. The objective of this course is to introduce students to the latest happenings in the different industries. As you all are aware that course outcome number 5 is select the recent agriculture equipments for pre and post harvesting. This course outcome have 3 unit outcomes. We are going to discuss about the unit outcome number 2, which is name the different elements of cold chain. I will divide this unit outcome in 2 types, that is elements of cold chain and cold chain transportation and its benefits. In this video, we are discuss about the cold chain elements, post harvest technology and food processing. These are the contents of unit outcome number 2, post harvest technology, importance of post harvest technology, food processing industry, types of food processing sectors. Post harvesting technology is interdisciplinary science and technique which is applied to agricultural produce after harvest for its protection, conservation, processing, packaging, distribution, marketing and utilization to meet the food and nutritional requirement of the people in relation to their needs. The total value of agricultural produce can be increased by performing certain post-harvesting processing operations rather than selling it as such after the harvest. Huge post-harvest losses in durable, semi-perishable fruits and vegetables are 10 to 14%, and in perishable fruits and vegetables it goes up to the 30 to 40%. The reasons for these losses are lack of post-harvest handling, storage and management facilities, lack of awareness, poor value addition facilities at the farm level and poor infrastructure. The importance of post-harvest technology are reduction in post-harvest losses, increasing the availability of food, maintain quality and quantity, benefits to farmer and consumers, better nutrition preservation, high employment generation, increase of export trade and foreign exchange, and improvement in quality of life. Important sectors in agro-processing industries are fruit and vegetable processing, grain processing, fish processing, milk processing, meat processing, and poultry processing, packaged and convenient foods, alcoholic beverages, and soft drinks, etc. Food processing is classified in 3 categories, that is primary processing, secondary processing, and tertiary processing. In primary processing, purification of raw materials by removing foreign matter, immature grain, and then making the raw material eligible for processing by grading in different lots, or conversion of raw material into the form suitable for secondary processing. In secondary processing is nothing but processing of raw material or processing of primary processed raw material into product which is suitable for food uses or consumption after cooking, roasting, frying, etc. Tertiary processing is nothing but the conversion of secondary processed materials into ready to eat form. What is meant by fruits and vegetable processing? India is the world's second largest producer of fruit and vegetable. The total production of fruits and vegetable in the year 1819 is 98.57 million tons and 185.85 million tons respectively. The operations involved in this processing are cleaning, and sorting, washing and air drying, grading, pre-cooling, packaging, refining, storage, transportation and market distribution. The different fruits and vegetable products are packed fruit, juice fruit, fruit drinks, jams, jellies, etc. The second is nothing but the grain processing. India set a record 298 million tons target for production of food grains for the year 2020. India's food grains include rice, jowar, bajra, maize, wheat, gram and pulses. These are the some types of grain processing. Cash crop processing, sugar cane, tobacco, cotton, turmeric and tea are the major cash crops grown in India. India is the largest producer and exporter of cash crops. Sugar mill industry, cotton ginning industry, turmeric processing and packaging, tea processing industry are nothing but the cash crop processing industry. Another type of processing industry, food processing industry is nothing but the spice processing. Next one is the milk and milk products. The total milk production in the country amounted to be 187 million metric tons. And these are the milk-based projects and products. Processed milk pouch, milk powder plant, butter, buttermilk and butter oil plant, skim milk plant, curd lassi plant, flavored milk plant, cheese plant, paneer plant. So these are the different products and the projects in the milk and milk products. Another food processing industry is nothing but the meat processing. So in meat processing, the following are the unit operations are to be included: grinder, mixer, ball cutter, Conti cutters, emulsifier, breakers, vacuum filters. So I will summarize here. In this video, we learn about the post-harvesting, food processing and its type and different growing food processing industry in India. Thank you. Thank you very much.